Hello and good morning to Lane and everybody over at Matt Service Company. My name is Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Spoke with you guys yesterday a little bit how I wanted to get this custom video sent over to you guys, showing how you can start to increase your traffic online and turn that traffic into actual paying customers. So with that being said, I'm going to jump into this free video just to show you guys a little bit of what it takes in order to do that. So we have your website. You guys got a good looking website. You got a call button right away. Like how you got the call us today at the top. You got your address. That's awesome. Get your services. It's a pretty clean looking website. It's laid out really, really well. One thing I'm not seeing a whole lot of though is you guys don't have enough content, right? You got a good amount of it. I'm not gonna lie, you got more than a lot of people in your area, but you guys want some more content, right? Got this badass like lightning bolt in the background. It's super neat, but you guys don't have enough content, and we want to figure out what content do we need. You're asking yourself, right? We don't have enough content, then Josh. What do we need? So we're going to jump right into that, right? We're going to figure out, hey, what do we need? So what we want to do is we actually want to take your guys' URL and we want to copy and paste it to a tool like this. This is called Eris. This is a paid tool. There's free versions out there, but this one is just a paid one that we like to use. It gives us a rough estimate, kind of see where you guys are sitting in an online space. Shows us all your numbers, right? It gives you backlinks, referring domains, keywords that you guys are targeting. And so we're going to talk about the content for right now, right? We'll get into backlinks in a second. Once you guys' keywords load up here, we can kind of show you where you're targeting for keywords and what you want to be targeting, right? We're going to compare you to your competition, Mr. Sparky Electric, right? Those guys are absolutely killing it right now. So as of right now, you guys are targeting something like Professional Electrics. It's getting 200 search volume every single month. We got another good one, Electricians, Kansas City. That's getting 400 search volume. But as well, your positioning. You guys are not very high position on a lot of these keywords. So we want to target all of the high volume, low KD keywords, and we want to start ranking better position wise for them, right? And the way we can do that is compare you guys to Mr. Sparky. Same thing, we're going to copy and paste. All we're trying to do is figure out, hey, what's working for these guys? How can we make it work for us? They've already done the legwork for you guys. We just need to go out there and copy it all. They're using keywords like electrical wire colors. That's getting 2,000 search volume. Boom, they're position number 1, right? Let's see another one. Ceiling fan making noise, 1,500 search volume. They're in position number 5. There's room for you guys to slide up in here, right? We can even take the top position if you guys really wanted to. Electricians near me, 157,000 search volume. They're only the 27th position for that. We can go on and on for days, right? We just want to compare and contrast and figure out what you guys don't have that they do, and we're just going to implement it. Same thing with our backlinks, right? Want to look at, you guys had, I think it was 910 backlinks. These guys have 1.4 thousand backlinks. Same thing as the keywords, right? Look how many keywords they had. Excuse me. We want to go in. We want to figure out what kinds of backlinks do they have. How many citations do they have? How many guest posts do they have? Citations are something along the lines of anywhere online that your business name, phone number, address, email address, location, whatever is online. That's considered a citation, like a yellow pages or a blogger. This is a guest post, right? Blog pages. We want guest posts. We want citations. We want to add some link juice to get our page ranking faster right away. There's all kinds of things that you guys can do. And another thing we want to focus on as well. We have the Google My Business Map Pack portion right here, right? We have you guys pulled up. Matt Mark. You guys have 23 reviews. You have a handful of photos, maybe just looks like just one actually. And so we want to compare and contrast here as well. These guys have 711 reviews. We want to figure out how many photos they've got. We want to figure out how they've optimized this, right? We want to make sure that they have all the correct information. Make sure we have a good about section, right? We want to make sure that we are matched with these guys to the extreme, and then we want to go above and beyond so we can blow these guys out of the water. And then you guys can go from 6th position to the top spots in the Google search results. So with that being said, to Lane and the whole entire team over at Matt Service Company, my name is Josh Nelson. I hope this video found you helpful any way, shape, or form. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to reach back out. Be happy to assist you in any way possible. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you guys have a great day.